So hey guys, welcome to my channel TJ Tech. So in this video, you're going to see the unboxing of 16GB SD card for DSLR cameras. The reason I bought this card is for the read and write speed, especially for video recording. The card that comes with the DSLR camera cannot able to handle the video recording and you need a better card for that. As you can see, it can read and write up to 80 MB per second. So this is the cheapest card available in the Amazon as of now to start video recording in your DSLR camera initially. If you want this card, you can find the link in the description and it will take you directly to the Amazon website. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy this video. See you soon in another video. Bye.